Good morning, students. Once again, a very warm welcome to the English World of Aradhya. Myself, Rasmin sir, imparting knowledge of English to the students of 9 to 12 standard in English medium. Students, in my previous video, we have already started your ninth lesson. The title of the lesson is The Bond of Love, written by Kenneth Henderson. And I told you it is a very appealing story. In the beginning, you see some information about the sloth bear is given. Okay, and then the lesson begins, and the writer says, Kenneth says that once he was passing by the sugarcane fields near Mysore. That time he saw some people just driving away the pigs, wild pigs. Okay, they were driving away by shooting at them. So some were shot and some were just escaped. So at that time, when they thought that everything is over, and suddenly a black sloth bear appeared. It was panting very hard, and writer says that normally I don't shoot unnecessarily any animal, but his companion did not have that feeling, so his companion just shot him, and the animal fell over there only. Okay, and what was that? That was a black sloth bear, mother bear. And just they were thinking to go near the body, and they found something moving on the fallen body of the mother bear. And when they went very close, they found out that it was nothing but her baby bear. And the baby bear, as soon as he saw the author, it just ran away into the fields. But author and his companions were many people, so they finally got the hold of it. And then the author brought him home and presented him to his wife. And his wife was so delighted to see such a nice baby bear. And finding that he was a boy, his wife just baptized him as Bruno. And then soon Bruno got adjusted to all the habits. We were informed about his eating and drinking habit. First he started drinking milk from the bottle. But in a very quick time, you see, students, he also learned drinking and eating everything. And all those things were mentioned, whatever he ate and drank, whatever came his way, whichever was the liquid, whether alcoholic, non-alcoholic, buttermilk, anything he would drink, aerated water. Okay. Similarly, in food also, anything, vegetables, porridge, fruits, okay, grain or pork means special meat, okay, all those things he would eat. So he got very much adjusted to eating and drinking habits. Okay. Now, is it going to benefit him? Students, we know that a certain type of food really benefits us in our day-to-day life. Okay, it grows us also, it gives us energy for work, it also helps us to remain healthy, fit. Okay, now let's see what happens to Bruno. Due to his eating and drinking habit, does he face any problem or he enjoys it? Earlier we were told that he was enjoying every food. Okay, let's begin from there. The bear became very attached to our two Alsatian dogs and to all the children of the tenants living in our bungalows. Okay, student. So now he was enjoying over there. So that's why, students, he became very attached to two Alsatian dogs and the children over there living as tenants in their bungalow. Because he's a small bear, so children also don't have any danger from him. Okay. He was left quite free in his younger days and spent his time in playing, running into the kitchen and going to sleep in our beds. Because now it is a small cub. क्योंकि छोटे बच्चे की जैसा है, तो किसी को कोई डर नहीं है. So that's why he was allowed to move freely. Understood? The danger will come when he grows up. जब वो बड़ा होगा. Okay? When the people cannot control him. That time the danger would come, so they will have to either keep him tied, or they will have to keep him in a cage, or they will have to give him to the zoo people. So let's see what happens, students. Okay, one day an accident befell him. Befell him means happened in his life. Okay, I put down poison. Poison here means barium carbonate to kill the rats and mice that had got into my library. Understood, students? So here, now this particular substance, which if the rats eat, the rats will die, or they will just run away out of the house because of its smell and because of its taste. Okay. So writer found some rats. That's why he put that poison, barium carbonate, to kill the rats and mice. And Bruno entered the library as he often did, and he ate some of the poison. So I told you students in my previous video. Now he formed such an eating habit that he would go on eating everything. That he would go on drinking also everything without knowing whether it is edible or not, whether it is drinkable or not. So here he did not know that this is poison. And what happened? He ate it. Now what happens? Let's see. And he ate some of the poison. Paralysis set in to the extent that he could not stand on his feet. So that was the effect of that barium carbonate, students. ये वो जहर का असर हुआ उसको कि he could not, now he was not able to stand also on his feet. That was the effect of the poison. Okay. Now interesting to know whether he survives or not. But he dragged himself on his stumps to my wife. Okay, students, stumps means footfall. He just dragged himself. Okay, in lying condition only, he just came forward on his foot only to my wife, who was there in the kitchen. Okay, let's see. Stumps to my wife, who called me. Then wife called me. I guessed what had happened. The author instantly guessed he must have taken that poison, which I had put for rats and mice. Okay. Oh, off I rushed in the car to the vet's residence. Vets here means veterinary doctors. Veterinary doctors means students, animals doctor. So instantly, without losing any time, the writer just rushed with him to the doctor's place, residence. A case of poisoning. Tame bear, barium carbonate, what to do? So in quick time, he just informed the doctor कि these are the things. A case of poisoning, इसको food poisoning हो गया है, बराबर poison उसने ले ही लिया है. Okay, barium carbonate, that also, the type of poison also he mentioned. It was nothing but barium carbonate. Okay, now what to do? क्या करने का? आप इलाज करो इसका. Okay, out came his medical books and a feverish reference to index began. Students, feverish means like a fever. Okay, तो यहाँ उसने अपनी मेडिकल बुक्स निकाली और फिर इंडेक्स देखी. व्हाट पॉइजन डिड यू से सर? बेरियम कार्बोनेट. यस, BA बेरियम सॉल्ट्स. बेरियम कार्बोनेट. सिम्टम्स पैरालिसिस, ट्रीटमेंट, इंजेक्शन ऑफ. जस्ट अ मिनट सर, आई विल ब्रिंग माई syringe and the medicine. So here students, you see, good thing is its treatment is possible. When a person takes any poison, you see, if he doesn't get immediate treatment, he will die. Okay, so here Bruno is getting immediate treatment, and the type of poison also they know, so very easy to just treat him. So now the doctor is taking out his syringe and medicine. Syringe means injection. Dash back to the car. Bruno still floundering, students, about on his stumps. So still he is floundering, means students use is struggling to move on his foot. Stumps means, but clearly weakening rapidly. So but his this one energy level is going down. So he is looking very weak. He is becoming very weaker and weaker. You see, बराबर कमजोर होता दिख रहा है जल्दी से. Some vomiting, वो vomit भी कर रहा है. Heavy breathing with heaving flanks and gaping mouth. Okay, heaving flanks means breathing very heavily, students, and gaping mouth means opening the mouth wide. Okay, hold him everybody. In goes the hypodermic. Hypodermic means the syringe, injection. In goes यानी उसको लगाया, इंजेक्शन लगाया. Bruno squeals, जैसे इंजेक्शन लगता है तो ब्रूनो चिल्लाता है. Okay, because that is a bit painful. Then 10 cc of the antidote enters his system without a drop being wasted. Okay, how much medicine was injected into his body? 10 cc. Okay, this doctor's syringes will have some certain amount, that injection. Okay, they don't give the entire injection. Sometimes they take out only some cc and remaining they take out the next day. That's why students, you see, such injections are having rubber cock. So they insert the needle inside and take only 10 cc, 5 cc, whatever they want. The remaining they put on the next day. So here 10 cc was injected into his body, and what happened? System without a drop being wasted. Okay, now that was antidote. Antidote means the medicine which nullifies the effect of poison. That is called antidote. किसी से कुछ हुआ है तो उसकी इफेक्ट मिटाने के लिए जो दवाई इस्तेमाल करते हैं उसको एंटीडोट बोलते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? तो यहाँ एंटीडोट का ऐसा 10 cc उसकी बॉडी में डाला इंजेक्शन के जरिए. 10 minutes later कंडीशन अनचेंज्ड. 10 मिनट हुई है, अभी भी ब्रूनो की कंडीशन सेम है, अनचेंज्ड है, यानी चेंज नहीं हुई है. Another 10 cc injected. Then you see doctor is again giving another 10 cc. So I would say it is, students, a very systematic treatment. Okay, he is not entering everything in a one injection only, but he goes dose by dose. If 10 cc is working, then you don't have to give 20 cc. Okay, if 20 cc is not working, then you go stepwise. You go. It is possible that if you give this antidote in a more than required amount, then students, it may have some ill effects also. Okay, you must have heard of the anesthesia. Now anesthesia is what? Anesthesia is a drug which is making the person unconscious, and it is very much used during operation. So during operation, whichever part of your body is to be operated, it should be first made unconscious, numb. So they make it numb and unconscious through that anesthesia. So all those anesthetic doctors, students, they don't directly give. For children, its amount is different. For young boys, it is different. For young men, it is different. Okay. For middle-aged people also it is different. For old age people also it is different. Again, they also check whether the person is suffering from any other diseases or any other high blood pressure, low blood pressure, or what you call, students, diabetes or any such thing. If they are suffering from such any disease, then also they would be very much careful in giving that anesthesia, because they just calculate that the operation will continue at least for half an hour or 1 hour. So after 1 hour, half an hour, the person is supposed to come back into his consciousness. That वो नम कर दिया था, जड़ बना दिया था जो हिस्सा एनेस्थेसिया देके, वो फिर से भान में आना चाहिए. या तो the person should come back into consciousness after half an hour or 1 hour, however long the operation continues. So you see, this anesthesia doctor, they are giving just one injection of anesthesia, but they charge very heavily. Because if the person does not come back into his consciousness, then the blame will be there on the doctor, anesthetic doctor. कि इनको एनेस्थेशिया किसने दिया था? वो डॉक्टर ने दिया था, तो ये वापस भान में क्यों नहीं आया? 1 घंटे का ऑपरेशन था, तो चलो 1.5 घंटे के बाद भान में आ जाना चाहिए. 5 घंटे हुए, अभी भी वो भान में नहीं आया है. Understood, students? So that way it happens. So here you see, yeah. So another 10 cc he injected. When first 10 cc did not work, he injected another 10 cc. Another दूसरे 10 cc का इंजेक्शन लगाया. 10 minutes later, breathing less stertorous. Okay, stertorous breathing means noisy breathing. अभी उसकी जो सांसें चल रही थी वो जोरों से चल रही थी, अभी बोले लेस स्टर्टोरियस हो गई, यानी नॉइज कम हो गया उसकी ब्रीदिंग में. ब्रूनो कैन मूव हिज आर्म्स एंड लेग्स अ लिटिल ऑल्दो ही कैन नॉट स्टैंड येट. बराबर, अनकॉन्शियस था, तो अभी क्या है, पॉइजन की वजह से थोड़ा पैरालिसिस जैसा हो गया था. पैरालिसिस, यू सी, व्हाट इज द पैरालिसिस ओवर हियर? पैरालिसिस मींस, स्टूडेंट्स, अ पर्सन कैन नॉट मूव हिज लिम्स. उसका एक साइड का हिस्सा, या तो ये हाथ या पैर या पूरी बॉडी, वो हिला नहीं सकता, उसको पैरालिसिस बोलते हैं. इन हिंदी एंड गुजराती इट इज नोन एज लकवा. तो पहले इसको लगा कि जब बेरियम कार्बोनेट का वो पॉइजन खाया तो उसको पैरालिसिस लग गया है, तो वो अपने पैरों पे खड़ा भी नहीं रह सकता था. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बट नाउ आफ्टर गिविंग 2 injections of 10 cc, now he is in that condition of moving his arms and legs. Okay, a little, although he cannot stand, अभी पर वो खड़ा नहीं रह सकता है, सिर्फ हाथ पैर हिला सकता है. So you can say that to some extent the effect of paralysis is gone, but still it is there. 30 minutes later, Bruno gets up and has a great feed. Understood? 30 मिनट के बाद यानी आधे घंटे के बाद वो खड़ा होता है. So now you see through those two injections, the effect of poison is totally nullified because now he is able to stand on his feet. And then he had a great feed. Feed means पूरा खाना खाया. He looks at us disdainfully. Disdainfully, students means scornfully. वो हमारे सामने देख रहा था कैसे hatredly. Okay, in a hatred manner. As much as to say, what is barium carbonate to a big black bear like me? Bruno is still eating. बोले मेरे जैसे बड़े ब्लैक बेयर के लिए बेरियम कार्बोनेट है क्या? मैं अभी भी खा रहा हूँ, देखो ये मेरा कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता. सो दैट वे ब्रूनो वाज एक्टिंग. Okay, if he had not been given the immediate treatment, students, it was possible that he could have died. Okay, he could have not died, but he could have at least become paralyzed. वो अपने हाथ पैर हिला ही नहीं सकता था, वैसा हो सकता था. Okay. The months rolled on and Bruno had grown. Sorry students, I missed out one paragraph. Another time he found nearly 1 gallon of old engine oil, which I had drained from the sump of the Studebaker. Okay students. Now Studebaker is what? An old American car. उसके संप में से यानी उसके पिट में से राइटर ने ये गैलन ओल्ड इंजन ऑयल निकाला था. राइटर वॉज चेंजिंग दी engine oil of his car. So he had taken out that old engine oil and he had kept over somewhere and was keeping as a weapon against the inroads of termites. The writer was using this old engine oil as a weapon against the termites. Termites यानी दीमक जो घर में होती थी उसको रोकने के लिए ये engine oil इस्तेमाल करता था. बराबर. He promptly drank the lot. देखो. Now what happened? इसका क्या हुआ? ब्रूनो तुरंत वो पी गया सब engine oil. Okay, now what will be the condition? But it had no ill effects whatsoever. Understood, students? So here, good thing was ये engine oil की कोई असर नहीं हुई because after all you see it is oil, so it is normally just pass out through your body. It will not stick to any part of the body. Whatever. Sometimes we feel very much this one suffering from constipation. Then also the doctor says that you take what some greasy thing. Greasy things here means ghee. घी बोले 1-2 चमची पी जाओ तो क्या है जो भी खाना अंदर अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड है वो सब निकल जाएगा. So that ghee is working like on engine oil over there. So here in case of Bruno, he drank 1 gallon of engine oil. Then also it did not have any ill effects because the entire engine oil, the way it went in, the way it came out also. So he was safe. Okay students, so I think we will just stop over here. In my next video we will see what happens further. Is he making any such mischief? Does he drink anything without knowing whether it is edible or drinkable? All those things students we will see, and also we will see when he grows up what happens. The writer keeps him with him or the writer sends him somewhere else or puts him in a cage. Okay students, so all those things we will see in my next video. So till that time, stay fit, stay fine, have a good day. God bless you. Thank you.